When basic key fob fixes like battery replacement and resyncing fail, the issue may involve the comfort access module or ECU errors, requiring professional dealership diagnostics to identify and repair these system failures. Aftermarket parts, such as decorative fob covers, can interfere with the key fob signal transmission. Remove any non-OEM accessories to restore proper functionality. BMW is increasingly adopting digital keys through the Connected Drive app, allowing your smartphone to serve as a primary key and gradually phasing out the need for physical fobs. BMW is moving toward complete keyless ecosystems, potentially eliminating physical key fobs entirely in future models through advanced biometric and app-based access systems. For older BMW 7 Series models, aftermarket adapters may be needed to enable compatibility with newer digital key technologies and ensure reliable operation. For 2024 and newer models, check for over-the-air software updates from BMW to enhance key fob reliability, improve signal strength, and resolve comfort access issues. To prevent signal problems, keep your key fob away from metal objects and electronics. Proactive resyncing can extend the fob's lifespan and maintain optimal performance. If issues continue despite these measures, seek professional assistance. A corrupted comfort access module may require reprogramming at the dealership, and ensure your vehicle has the latest software updates to address signal and access problems.